1, 2, 3, baby. 1, 2, 3, I can't wait. I got them all. I had enough dealing with electric, so we're gonna jump in. Oh yeah, baby. Can it do this? Oh, thing is scary. What you think, I wasn't gonna do this? What's up, Nitro Gang? It is Sunday morning. I'm out here at my local RC track. There's a whole bunch of guys driving electrics in the back. Well, you know what I showed up with? I showed up with my 3-speed HPI Savage XL, 3.75 horsepower, baby. This is gonna be terrorizing the RC track right now. And of course, the famous t-maxx, Tony's Traxxas t-maxx 3.3. He couldn't make it because guy oversleeps. You know, what am I gonna do? So I'm gonna be driving the t-maxx right here. I just put in a brand new clutch in this thing last night. Hopefully you did not miss that repair video. It was pretty epic. New clutch, did some maintenance, also repaired the one-way bearing, so we're gonna see, hopefully it doesn't slip. But I think the star of the show will be this HPI Savage 3-speed down this track. It is going to be terrorizing everybody, I am pretty sure. As long as I don't flip over, we should be having a good time. I got my coffee out here for today. I'm driving my V8 4.6 liter Mercury Grand Marquis because it's time to show these guys I don't only drive a Prius. Sometimes you got to hit that V8. And in this case, we got ourselves a 2-speed, a 3-speed, and a freaking archaic vintage 4-speed with overdrive. That is a lot of speeds. Let's do this. Hopefully this thing starts. It ain't like starting an electric. This is a freaking, you know, labor of love type of thing. Let's do it. There we go, baby. Two-speed, baby, but the brakes are too crazy on this thing. 2-speed, 3-speed. I got you, whatever that is. You got no speeds, I got speeds. 3-speed is on point, baby. Who can say they got 3 speeds on this track? Only me. 2. Oh, this thing is scary, oh. Oh no, there's a fit scale red cat. I don't trust these guys. Guys, hold on, I can't idle for long, okay? I'm richer than Donald Trump, can you see? Go! I gotta love this Savage, bro, I love it. 3-speed, baby. They're scared. This thing is great. I'm surprised it could actually compete with these things. Oh, the brakes, man, too freaking strong. All right, let's go, get up here. What are you doing? I'm gonna run out of fuel soon. Come on, come on. Come on. Well, they're all broken. I see them trying to fix their diffs right there. Meanwhile, my Savage is kicking ass. Typhoon, line up. It's gonna shut down if you don't line up right now. Come on. 1, 2, 3. That was only second gear. I don't want to scare the rest of them with a 3-speed. Well, got a first flip, but I am a freaking monster truck. These guys, let's go. Whoa, let's do this. Yep, they tried to get me off the road, they can't. Oh no, oh no. 3-speed, it kicked, baby. Oh, A red cat threw me off the track, bro. You can't disrespect your grandparents. Oh! I gotta say, man, my Savage is killing it. Look at this. I'm freaking scared of him myself, yo. Too big, everybody. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Man, I gotta brake really slowly there, the corner, cause. Whoa! Well, I lost this one, but. I gotta say, these Typhoons, they handle pretty well, but as long as they get under the wheels of my Savage, it's over. All right, I'm gonna take it easy now. Savage did a good job. Yo, let's crawl over you. Let's do this. Come on, come on. Let's do this. Yeah, boy. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Yeah, that's how we treat the electrics. Get out of my way. All right, I'll help you out. Out of fuel, guys, out of fuel. That's it. It's running out of fuel. It's leaning out, it's leaning out, it's normal. Everybody's safe. The Savage is off. All right.
Can you put mufflers on there? Or different mufflers?
No, these things have giant tuned pipes. Just like the gas RC, so no, a muffler wouldn't do anything here. Thing was pretty scary, right? When I hit the third gear, I was scared, man. Yeah, well, it's tall, you know, like I'm the only truck here. So when I'm braking, I gotta really be careful. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get off, I'm gonna refuel. Yo, how do you feel? How did it feel? You liked it? I only had half a tank. That's not fair, bro. I had half a tank.
Electric vehicles is the future.
No, I disagree. Guys, if you disagree, my friend over here, put in the comments, the Savage is king. I don't care what anybody says. Bro, correct me if I'm wrong, but this was the Arma 2-piece edition from last time, wasn't it?
Certainly was. 2 pieces into a pole, yep.
Oh man, so what wound up happening? You had to replace the chassis?
Yep, chassis. That's the only thing that snapped. It snapped right here, so everything was intact there. Everything was intact there.
Okay.
Simple swap out. 21 bucks.
Man, that's cheap for a chassis, right?
A whole chassis, man. You can't go wrong.
Yeah, not bad. Dude, what happened to your Arma Typhoon? I saw a crash, right? Oh.
Knocked the pole out.
Is this the Arma Typhoon 2-piece edition?
This is the 2-piece edition.
2-piece edition. Well, the electronics are still okay, right?
In all fairness, though,
yeah.
$12 worth of damage.
Yeah, that's a bargain. Like
that's the beauty of plastic.
Yeah, exactly. Let's look at the inside. What happened here? You're making me want to get a damn Typhoon, but the Savage over here, it wants to destroy all the electrics. What should I do, bro? Give me some advice. What do you think I should do?
I say never get rid of a Savage monster truck.
Yeah, that is true. But you know, that is true. What recommendation can you give to a person like me? Let's say, well, I am a RC expert, but let's say to a beginner on which new RC to get. Arma / 4x4 Rustler. What do you think? In your opinion, you have some of them.
In RCs in general, Nitro monster trucks are the funnest off-road.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. NitroGang right here. Great answer. That was a trick question, bro. That was a trick question. You didn't fall for the trick question of the NitroGang.
Yeah. Guys, no. It's definitely better off-road. Yeah. I really wonder why you racing on the street. This thing should be doing backflips.
Dude, I did. I drove this over myself in a few of my videos.
This thing should be doing backflips.
Literally, it's big enough.
It's now way too clean.
Oh yeah, dude, because I respect my stuff. You know, NitroGang, we take care of our RCs, man.
No, but it's been outside. It needs to be dirty.
What'd you think of the run I just did with the 3-speed shifting? Were people terrorized, do you think?
They were.
Yeah, it was like Halloween out here with RCs, right?
Ran over.
Yeah. Guys, I should run the 3-speed on Halloween because this is straight RC terrorism right here. Oh, bro, all right, let's get it on the track.
Oh, don't kill us. Gotta watch our backs.
Oh, yeah.
Stuff is rolling.
Oh, yeah. All right, start up the Savage, get it on the track. The hardest part is starting it. Oh, it's gonna start, a lot of compression. Rotor Start 2 has a tough time spinning this motor over.
Why are you on the side? 1, 2, 3, I can't wait. I got him all.
Great job.
3-speed, man. Oh, front flip. Landed on the wheels. Can't kill the Savage, baby. Three-speed kicks. 1, 2, 3, baby. Oh, front flip Savage. Savage front flip, it's okay. We got it. I had enough dealing with electrics, we're gonna jump in. Oh yeah, baby. What'd you think? I'm not gonna take my Savage on the sand. Can it do this? Oh, thing is scary. What'd you think? I wasn't gonna do this? I'm doing it, baby. Let's do this. You wanna see a sand speed run? Well, basically the same as regular speed runs. 2, 3. Ah, please land. Okay, thank God. That's why I love me the Savage. That's right, Savage, baby. I put my RCs in the worst conditions possible, and they still come back. Oh yeah. Out of fuel. That's right, out of fuel. Perfect self lean out towards the end there. You heard it, it sputtered, it stuttered, it kicked some ass on the track and on the sand. I know how to tune these things. I know how to make a 3-speed shift, and I know how to eat donuts in the morning. Thanks so much. That's my old 30cc Rovin Baja. It has the brand new silenced dual rear exhaust. I can definitely say it is significantly quieter than the stock pipe. Listen to it. It is much quieter. It runs pretty good. Interesting development, guys. It looks like I am one of the only people left here on your track. I don't know what happened. I ran this Savage this whole time with 1 tank of fuel, and it seems like everyone is either going home, their diffs are busted, or they're out of lipo juice is what I call it. I don't know, but I'm the only one left on the track. It's no big deal. Maybe I'll find another challenger. I'm not too upset. You know why I'm not upset? Because I got a donut. My Savage performed pretty well. The 3-speed engages. This is a terrific donut. I'm gonna start this up again, eat this donut, and have fun by myself with or without the electrics. I don't care. Oh yeah, don't forget, I did get to drive over a couple of them. I didn't even have to bring out my t-maxx today because the Savage, it destroyed the electric drive over. You know what I'm saying?